Heavyweight.
Detroit back. Detroit back. Detroit back. Detroit back. Man, what up though? What up though, y'all? This your man's Rom Kelly, and this is ThaBarbecue, and y'all know what today is, right?
It's your birthday.
Y'all ain't even need no reminders. Y'all good. Y'all checks in the mail.
I thought it was the day we actually have food.
Y'all checks. You know what? It is the day that we finally have food.
It's the first day of Ramadan.
Is it the first day of Ramadan?
Ramadan.
Man, that's crazy. My mom used to call me Ramadan when I was little.
Hey, real shit. I think that is coming up though in the next couple days.
Today.
Oh,
am I supposed to fast if I was
tomorrow?
Ramen noodle diet.
Okay, so I can eat this right now.
It's after sundown. Right?
Man, that's what's up, man. This is
I don't know what them motherfuckers do, but happy birthday, Ron.
Man, I appreciate it. Today is the anniversary of the time that my dad finally got him some. And cause man, you know, this is the no, but for real, have y'all ever wondered are y'all the result of good sex or like?
I am. I know that I know that I am.
How do you know?
I know because of when my birthday is. My birthday is February 7th. So my parents celebrated the resignation of Richard Nixon. That's where I came from.
You a political baby. I never knew.
When you strike it back 9 months, that's President Richard Nixon.
I'm gonna have to look at a calendar. I don't know now.
1974.
You older than me. Mm-hmm. oh, with your old ass.
Yep.
No, but I ain't gonna lie.
If I have 2 more wings, I'ma die.
Well, man, can somebody give him 3 wings, please?
Don't.
Go ahead, give him 3. Math good, put 4 on there. No, anyway, a whole lot been going on. This week, I guess. White people calling the police on black people.
All the time.
I mean,
For barbecuing.
for barbecuing, for sleeping. You know, I thought it was just for going through Starbucks, because I would arrest a nigga too, because I don't fool with Starbucks.
What's he doing there, man?
Man, I had got so excited I forgot to introduce y'all to the people that's listening, to my mom and them. So who we got on the mic? Why don't y'all go ahead and introduce yourselves to the people?
All right, I'm Lloyd Digg, Detroit area comic, underappreciated, but I'm still friends with Rom, so I'm celebrating him on his birthday. What up, man?
Man, we appreciate you, Lloyd, man.
Oh, I mean in general, not here.
Okay.
Yeah, shit. I got invited by name here. Lloyd, I know you coming to the show on the 15th. And I was like, yeah, man, I guess
We got
so.
a little excited about
Oh,
that.
what happened, dude? What you do, spit or what you do?
Man, he had shook it up. Man, he got excited because he saw Shayla had dyed her hair.
Oh my God.
Hell yeah, Cortez enjoying those French fries because he vegan, but they fried in bacon grease.
Hey, why you playing? You know the fries is good when you still eat them when they're cold, because these fries is good. But yeah, man, so today my birthday. White people calling police on black people. Kanye got new music. Andre 3000 got a couple songs. Did y'all hear it?
I did.
No, not yet.
One of them don't have no words though, but it's still kind of sweet.
They don't have no words.
No, it's an instrumental, and it's like 17 minutes long or something too.
Yeah,
but he playing all the instruments, not all of them, but I think he playing the clarinet and
Prince style.
something else. Yeah.
He playing the bass clarinet though.
Is that what it is?
There's a bass clarinet. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of how it sounds.
That is almost.
That's kind of like how it really sounds.
It's almost exactly how it sounds. Almost.
Yeah, clarinet is slept on. Hey, can we introduce the rest of our guests?
I was about to get introduced to her hair, but we're gonna get there.
Oh. I see now what's gonna happen.
Stay back.
I mean,
it's spoken for.
I want to know who is this white man right here?
Wait a minute. As soon as they step through the door, they are no longer white people. They are Caucasianals. Okay.
Who is this Caucasianal?
Josh,
brown-eyed devil. What up?
Fuck you too, what? Josh Harmon, local comic, and I guess part of the Caucasian delegation, according to Ron.
Exactly. You know what? It's good to have a member of the Caucasian delegation in here because I want to know. The question of the day: do you have a relative named Karen?
No.
You don't?
I know it. No.
Not that you know him? Okay.
White trash.
Okay. Do you have any relatives that put raisins in their potato salad?
I don't associate with most of my relatives. I think most of them are in prison right now, so I can't tell you. If they do get raisins, yeah, probably, but otherwise.
So they making that cook-up. They making that one with the little ramen noodles, and they made their potato salad with ramen noodles and Slim Jims.
A break.
Hell yeah. As a baby, Josh was left on a doorstep in a pouch of Big League Chew.
Jeez.
I threw that in confidence, motherfucker.
They still sell that?
No, probably not. No.
All right, so who else we got here up on the mic?
It's your boy SB.
Eating up all my
Treble
chicken.
Boys. Ate one piece of your chicken. You know what I'm saying? Out here making this music.
Why you out here trying to undereat, man? You about 6'7" and you only got one piece of chicken.
I eat my shit one at a time.
Oh no! Run it! That's what's
And
up.
if it happened to be 17, that's all.
What up, though, Sharika? What up, though, man? I appreciate y'all watching my live, man. I feel special because y'all know what today is, right?
It's your birthday.
It's the anniversary of my mama giving in to my daddy's thirst.
Answering that answering.
No, I mean for real though, like you know, y'all are the result of you know what I'm saying?
Aren't we all?
I mean, you know what? Some people might.
Some
not
of us
be.
was accidents.
I was.
There
Shout
was
out to
still
the
a-
accident babies.
That was more like oh shit.
Yeah, I was. I
Y'all
was an
mamas is
accident.
probably embarrassed as hell.
I was an accident for sure.
What's up, Melanie? Thank you for the happy birthday
I
wishes.
was that conversation.
I don't
Okay, so
believe
how did you
that.
find out you was an accident?
She literally just one day told me.
She was like,
She,
you know, I
she
didn't
just
mean to
told me
have
like, yeah, like no, you were a happy accident, but you were definitely an accident.
Happy accident.
Yeah.
That's what's up, man.
I was accident too, and I figured out the hard way.
So really, shout out
Through
to the
detective
accident
work.
babies.
Hell
Truth.
yeah,
out-
shit.
Truth.
Shout out to the accident babies, man. We love you.
Right.
Now.
It was still. They've earned their way into existing. Nigga, you developed charm. I'm glad you was born.
No, for real, like, you know, like,
nigga, you all right.
We're glad you're here.
no, like,
glad you're
you
here.
know, like, have you ever heard of a walking taco?
Yes, and they're so
walking
good.
taco.
Yeah, them bitches slap.
It's like in a bag.
When was the first time you heard of a walking taco? I bet you was around some white folks.
No.
You heard around black people?
Yeah.
You was at a summer camp or something.
I was at the science center.
You was at the science.
He was at the capital of white
I
folks.
took my son. That's why I had retracted my words. I took my son.
Oh,
to,
dog.
I took my son to the science center, and we was ordering some food. He said he wants a pizza. So I'm like, how much is a slice of pizza? They like $4.50. I'm like, hell no.
$4.50 for a slice of pizza.
I'm like, hell
That's
no.
probably like
I'm like,
this big.
Shit, that's better than a casino.
for exactly 86 more cents, we could get him a hot and ready. So I said, we gonna wait till we get home. And she was like, hey, well, would you like to try a walking taco? And I was like, you know, what the fuck is a
Walking taco. That's the thing I said.
She's like, yeah, it's just a bag of Doritos with the meat and all the fixings of a nacho. And I was like, you know what?
That was some good
No.
shit, wasn't it?
I said no.
You said no?
I was at the science center trying to get some walking taco. No. But
Man, you
then I
should've
went
had
to
it.
Southwest and I had one, and it was slapping. You know what I'm saying? I had one. Yeah, but I ain't.
So he held off and got it from a legit Mexican.
Yeah, I don't trust no science
Right.
center. Science
Right.
center ground beef.
You know what? Yeah.
It's probably
like-
from the space
yeah, like,
shuttle
you
or
know.
something.
Man, that future ass beef.
Does a
probably
kangaroo taste just like beef?
What kangaroo?
Science Center.
I ain't never had
Science Center.
I
Me
ain't never had
neither.
kangaroo meat.
No, the one.
Science Center joke.
I ain't never had kangaroo either.
Don't trust that meat. It probably come in tubes and shit. That's weird.
Hell about that.
I mean, y'all eat Taco Bell.
Yeah,
but
I
y'all
had
don't
it. I
trust
had
the
to
Science
put-
Center meat.
But for sure, Taco Bell.
Man,
It's a science center. It's too exotic. It's science.
Man, Taco Bell meat is possum.
Science.
Man, Taco Bell meat possum meat, so.
Possum? Yeah, let me see.
Science center.
I'm about to say it's real good though.
I got a question. Have y'all ever seen a delivery at a Chinese food restaurant place?
What you
Yeah.
mean? Yeah, I did.
I've never
Uber
seen
Eats.
I've never seen no meat delivery.
No.
Oh, you talking about the meat delivery?
Have you ever seen the meat
Oh.
delivery?
I ain't gonna lie,
No,
real
no.
shit. The Chinese place on Plymouth and Chatham, where I used to stay, they used to kill the alley cats.
I mean,
I heard that about
we've
other
seen-
Chinese
we've
restaurants
seen them
before.
do it.
I think that
Did
might
they
be.
season them?
I mean, why
That I
would
don't know. I mean,
Is
we've
that
seen
an
them out
urban
in the back. It's not an urban legend at all.
almond boneless,
So
almond
it's the
boneless
truth.
chicken?
It's real
I
life.
just assumed that all of they meat is one of their kids that got only a B plus. Like, that's all Chinese meat is.
Right.
That sounds
Or it could
right.
just be a female child.
No, look, the only thing I ever seen delivered.
I mean,
with an A-.
I'm saying, right. I'm just saying. It could just been like, oh, you had a girl. Nope. Not today.
He about to choke.
No.
I'm okay.
You know how some shit good, you take the flavor. The only time I seen somebody deliver some shit at the Chinese food restaurant was bean sprouts. You always see them and they leave them bitches on the curb and shit. They just, Ganjo, and then and they pull off and shit. Like, I'm like, you don't sign for that shit. They just drop them bitches off and get go.
I mean, why? Ain't nobody gonna steal no bean sprouts. I mean, it ain't even a recipe for that shit that you know of. You know what I'm saying?
Bean sprout.
So Miss Corona, turn this shit off.
He's like, enough with the distractions.
I can't focus. So, how long have you been on the scene? You know, how long have you been gracing mics?
Since I was like 14.
Since you was 14 and you about what, 22 right now?
Yeah, 35.
About 35? Okay, that's what's up.
No, I'm not 35.
I mean, hey man, black don't crack. I was listening.
I'll be 40 in September.
You be 40 in
September.
Man, welcome to the 40.
So, when I was in my 30s, I used to be like, damn, man, when I get 40, I don't even know. And now I'm like 4 months away from 40. Damn, I'm 40. But I did retire from music for like 2 whole years because I was too old to be rapping and shit.
Oh, you went through that.
You know what? I think we all go through that at one point in time. So what made you come out of
Is
that?
it just a rap thing, though?
I think
it's just a rap thing.
Is it just rappers that do
honestly,
that?
hip hop is the only genre that has an age cap on shit. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like rock stars, R&B singers. I mean, look at Charlie Wilson. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He came back. He came back after a long because he was on drugs, but he came. This motherfucker selling out stadiums still to
Right.
this day.
He off the drugs though.
Yeah, he off the drugs. But I think that I don't know. It was really difficult. Like it's hard to really figure out when you change internally.
Yeah.
How you can convey and put that. So it's like a tug of war going on inside of me creatively right now.
Yeah.
Because I still want to talk that shit, but when you like a community activist, you become, you know what I mean? Like I do community activism and all that. Yeah, but I come from the battle rap scene, so talking that shit is a different type of way.
Right.
And I'm just not about to be up there like talking that shit like about marching and motherfucking protesting. I just can't talk that shit.
Yeah.
I mean, I talk that shit, but not on the mic.
Yeah.
I can't. You know what? I mean, like personally, I don't think that every rapper is supposed to be the protest rapper. You know what I'm saying? Like to have a message.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just want to hear some bars.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Just like put that work in. You know what I mean? So, I mean, as an artist myself, I'm gonna be honest. I had to age out when people was getting mad at the open mics and just started shooting every damn body. I was just like, oh wait a minute.
Right. Because they got beat.
Yeah, like you lost, fam. I mean,
right.
That's that. You know what I mean?
And then also realistically speaking, like it's always been tougher for going back to the Cardi B and Nicki Minaj conversation. It's always been tougher for women in the industry. So that struggle is real.
Yeah.
I've never out of all of the accomplishments that I've attained and like, the successes that people see, I've never had a label behind me. I've never had anybody, you know what I mean? Like I've done all of this shit by myself.
Yeah.
I don't have a manager. Right. I don't have, now I have a booking agent, but I don't, it's tough when you gotta be your own manager, you gotta be your own booking agent, you gotta be your own promoter, you gotta be your own motherfucking everything. I'd be like, God damn.
Yeah.
So I took a long 2.5 year break and I just was focusing on photography.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm a cold ass photographer though.
Okay.
We was just talking about that fucking air horn. I hate that shit. Listen, that band rehearsal, we was just talking about that shit, man. Them DJs wore that bitch to the ground. I don't even want to go travel to the motherfucking Caribbean because of that. I was like, no.
I stopped listening to mixtapes because of that.
Delete Jamaican horn. Delete.
No, we just talked about that shit at the rehearsal though. But yeah, you know, I mean, check out some of my photography work. It's pretty dope. I'm still a student.
Instagram?
Yeah, I got my photography Instagram is Trigger Finger Visuals. That's the name of my
I like
Trigger
it.
Finger Visuals. That's
like
the name of my photography company. So you know, yeah, I started doing that and like shooting visuals for folks. So
you do visuals for folks?
Yeah, I shot a couple videos. I actually got something coming up with my homies. Yeah, that's the shit. My girl likes to party all the time. You feel me? But no, I'm shooting something for my homegirl DeEssence, who's an amazing MC, and also my homie Boog Brown, who's another amazing MC. And you see, those are women. I didn't say female rappers. They're amazing MCs, and for them to reach out to me and ask me to shoot their videos for them is like that's an honor. So I'm like, yes, I'm gonna do that shit. All right. And hopefully I will do some justice. If it sucks, you'll never see it, but just know that I tried.
Man, everybody do some stuff that's not, you know, the greatest. I got a video that's not really good, but it was my first video that's out there. I just think that's part of the process. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, if you ain't afraid to if you too afraid to put your bad work out, you'll never you don't deserve to get your good work looked at.
Yeah.
And that's how I personally feel. I mean, it's just all part of like the process. But yeah, like I remember because I've been rapping a long time, and then you know, the way my child support is set up. You know what I'm saying? Man, what's up, man? We back, just like we are every Tuesday, 10-ish to midnight, but it was an extra special show yesterday, May 15th. It was the anniversary of the last time my dad had sex with a pretty woman. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much, man. That was it, man. It was my birthday, man. I am 40 years old, and I feel good, man. I don't know, I feel like I'm at that age where I just want to start working out so I don't die during sex.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? That age. Like,
that's what I do every morning.
Get you some nitro stat.
Man, man, I don't know, man. It's just it feel good to be 40, man. It feel good to be 40. But yeah, didn't nobody tell me that the Lord had blessed me with one of the most glorious birthday presents ever. The most glorious of glorious birthday presents.
Oh, Lord.
Y'all know LeBron James lost, right?
You do know you got to drive back to Ohio, right?
Yeah, man, I'll drive back to Ohio, but listen.
You see that white Lambo pull up on the side and you speed the fuck off.
Look, man, hey, man.
That's all I heard, the barbecue.
Man, Michael Jordan would have took these clowns to the finals, man. I know what I'm saying, because you know why?
Bro, what's the record right now?
Because his name is Michael Jordan. He the GOAT. We talking
02?
02? It's the setup, man. You know,
it's the setup.
They made this man the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? They go come back and they go just take it there.
Come back.
I guarantee it. They did it 2 years ago?
They ain't come back
when they was against Golden State.
They ain't come back.
They did that shit. They was down 3-1.
They got the luck of the Irish.
Shit, came back and killed their ass.
I tried to hear it. I tried. The luck of the Irish.
I
don't know how to do that. I don't have any accents.
Oh, so you saying that LeBron James plays for an Ohio team?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cleveland.
Yes.
It's
out there with Drew Carey.
Cleveland, right.
So listen, on my birthday, I'm gonna tell you
that bombed. Go ahead.
Child support.
Oh wait, I got something for you.
Okay.
Child support didn't take nothing out.
Go ahead. It's kind of late, but yeah. I was gonna run to the drum set and be like, Brum.
That was before your message.
Oh, okay.
Please continue.
LeBron lost. Charles.
This nigga pull out the apnea on you.
Go ahead.
Killing himself. Sorry.
Can I just have one day? Y'all don't do me like y'all did Kanye, man. Can I have one day where y'all don't do me like Kanye? Huh?
Do who like Kanye? I support Kanye.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you really?
I support
Do you
Kanye.
really? I know.
I don't think he's as great as he's trying to make himself to be, but he's.
Hold on, Lloyd. What you about to say about Kanye?
Look, I love Kanye music because
it's Team Yeezy approved.
Because I stole it. Like I love all of Kanye's songs that I stole.
I just felt like I didn't feel really tough at all with a taser talking about you rep Kanye, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like Kanye stands do have tasers, don't they?
Yeah, they do. And pepper spray and mace.
Tasers and pink polos. It's crazy.
And rape whistles. Yeah.
Would you carry a rape whistle?
No.
Nah, stranger danger.
Do you know why? Because I can whistle my damn self.
See, I can't whistle. I can't whistle.
No, then you need a taser.
I know, because I can't whistle. That's whack.
I'm getting raped. I screamed that. Whenever they try.
Also, hashtag me too. I didn't know. Do you want to talk about it? Okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm afraid. I don't even want. We talk off air. I don't know where to go.
Y'all think that I'm a big nigga, but there's bigger niggas.
Welcome to my world, man. I'm 5'7". Man, the whole world is trees, man. It's just crazy out here.
I'm 6 foot, but there's dudes 6'4".
Yeah. Nah, man.
I don't want to say who they were, but SB. No, I'm sorry.
Green Mile didn't do you like that, man. Green Mile didn't do you like that. No, he didn't do that.
He tried to, but my tears had made him go flat.
Man,
he has a heart deep down.
What you supposed to do? You supposed to flop like a fish now, like that.
Oh,
what?
You're supposed to squirm. Stop. I'm a boy. Stop. That's what you're supposed to do, I heard.
Dude, but whenever a nigga tries to rape me,
I said whenever, so it's
I do everything. I'm a handsome nigga. I do everything that I don't like girls to do, I do to them. No! Stop! No! Stop it!
You put your back up and shit.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Oh my
These niggas
God.
give up.
Y'all are so much.
You know what though, man? Speaking of that, no, people be crazy. Like, it's crazy though. People see the Purge movies and shit. I heard it's a new Purge coming out, but
It's a TV show.